Hey guys, how to download Warframe on PC or laptop. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, first of all, open Steam website, link in description, and then click the top Install Steam green color button and download Steam from here, but my laptop is already installed. After downloading Steam, open it and then create an account. I have created one before. And click the top search bar and type Warframe, and this is the Warframe. Click on it and scroll down, click the Add to Library and click OK. Your game will add it to library. Go to library, click at the library and find here Warframe game. This one is Warframe. Click on it and you see the install button. Click on it. After that, select any disk to space available in your laptop. On my laptop is disk G is available. I selected G disk and clicked on install below. After that, my installation will start. Please tell me in the comments whether your game will be installed or not. After downloading the game will be added to the desktop. Thanks for watching.